So this is how we get 250 plus pips with our gold signal in both PAFX and PICC-VIP. So if you just take a look around here, we can clearly see that the price had created equal highs, which certainly indicates liquidity for financial institutions. With this big bullish move, the price captured all these liquidities, and during the whole Asian session, the price consolidated. We knew that the price will eventually fill all these imbalances, so we just had to wait for a perfect entry. We found our perfect entry around here at the beginning of London session, and boom, 250 plus pips. We also knew that this trend line had liquidity, so there is a possibility of a reversal. So we had our perfect exit around here.